Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Michael Lemelanuka. I'm from Toba, North Sumatra. I am an active student at Polytechnic LPP Yogyakarta, majoring in plantation management. First of all, let us praise the presence of God Almighty for the abundance of His grace, so that we can gather here in good healthy and well-being. On this occasion, I will deliver a speech entitled Waste Management. In today's era, many technology and electronic goods have been created to simplify the way people live today. In addition, it is inevitable that electronic waste will also increase all over the world. The Global E-Waste Monitoring 2020 annual report released by the United States recently stated that the amount of electronic waste in 2019 reached 53 million tons. The United Nations predict the amount of e-waste will reach 74 million tons in 2030 and jump again to 120 million tons in 2050. So far, countries in the Asian continent are the largest contributor of electronic waste with a total of about 25 million tons. After that, America contributes 13 million tons of electronic waste and Europa contributes 12 million tons. The combined e-waste generated in Africa and Oceania is about 3 million tons. Then, what about the management of electronic waste in our country, Indonesia? Unfortunately, in Indonesia there is no place to process electronic waste. Data released by the United Nations University and titled the Global E-Waste Monitor 2014 states that every Indonesian person disposes of around 3 kilograms of electronic waste on average. The amount reaches 745 kilotons, which is the largest in Southeast Asia. However, the highest individual producer of e-waste in Southeast Asia was occupied by Singapore, which reached 19.6 kilograms for one person. In total, the country's e-waste is only 110 kilotons. Data says there are about 42 million tons of used refrigerators, television, washing machine, and other electronic equipment around the world. This mountain of electronic waste, if calculated, contain around 16,500 kilotons of iron, 1,900 kilotons of copper, and 300 tons of gold. With such a large amount of electronic waste in Indonesia is limited to having management facilities for the dismantling of electronic components, some of which contain valuable minerals such as copper and gold. Responding to all problems, the increasing require immediate solution. The government offer an extended producer responsibility or EPR program as has been implemented in the developed countries. This EPR will be responsibility of the producer, extending to the fiscal production chains and is financing to the state after its use. However, the discourse on the mandatory EPR has not been accepted by the Indonesian Electronic Enterprise Association. The reason the cost of production electronic goods will increase. In addition, the intense competition in the marketing of electronic products and the various industrial scales of the electronic manufacturers are the reason. For transnational electronic industries such as the computer, Hewlett Packard, and Nokia, the implement of EPR is welcome because it will improve the public image and a green industry. Meanwhile, in several Southeast Asia countries, the companies and developing take back program, namely taking back electronic product that have become waste. Management of electronic waste that does not pay attention to environmental management will result in uncontrolled pollution of heavy metals and toxic compounds that are transboundary. With all I have said above, I would like to invite all of my friends to join maintain and handle electronic waste so as not to damage nature on our human life with the awareness of its individual to prevent it and with good cooperation among all related parties. I believe that the increasing problems to electronic waste can be handled properly and be solved perfectly. From the many words that have been spoken and from the many things that we have listened together, I hope that what I have conveyed can be useful for all of us. There's nothing more beautiful than prayer, and there is no beginning than the end. Ending my words of welcome. Thank you.